Hello, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up the Simple Smash Scorebug utility in OBS. To start, we're going to go to the Docs menu in the top left and click on the Custom Browsers Docs options. In this, we're going to give our doc a name, just controller, and in the URL we will put the link to simplesmashscorebugs.com. This will open the home page of the website in OBS, kind of in a window. We can drag it around, place it as we please, but we are going to go ahead and now click on a theme in this in the Scorebug apps section, and that'll take us to the controller page. In case you skipped this, there's a little tutorial. We'll hide all the options for now, as we'll go over them in the basic use and navigation video. Now we're going to want to go to the sources area and add a new browser source. So we're just going to give it an arbitrary name, Scorebug in this case. Click OK, and then we're going to put the link simplesmashscorebugs.com / and then a hash symbol. Then it's going to be another / and then scoreboard. Here we're going to then set the width to 1920 and height by 1080 and clear the custom CSS field. We do this because the custom CSS can get in the way sometimes with the way OBS is, and we set there the resolution to 1080p because that's what our stream output should be. That's the maximum resolution that Smash Bros. Can do, so we want to match our scoreboard bug to that. One thing I haven't worked on too much on the app, but we'll refine later, is if you want to have a commentator's graphic, we can do the same as we did before with the Scorebugs page. By having a new scene, we add a new browser source, and instead of smashscorebugs.com /scorebugs, we do /coms, and we do the same thing with the width and height. So that way it fits the window. We also clear the custom CSS field as well, and bam, you just put a camera source of your commentators and you have a commentator window. But overall, that's the basic setup for the Simple Smash Scorebugs app. In the next tutorial I'm going to go over how to navigate and use the Scorebug so that way you can get going with your streams.